Have you ever wondered why some of the smartest people you know still struggle with money? Maybe they're highly educated, have impressive careers, and can solve complex problems at work, yet when it comes to their finances, they seem stuck living paycheck to paycheck. It feels strange, almost unfair. If intelligence helps people succeed in so many areas of life, why doesn't it automatically lead to financial success? Today, we're going to unpack a surprising truth. Being smart does not guarantee financial stability. In fact, many intelligent people fall into financial traps precisely because they rely on intelligence alone instead of building the habits and systems that actually create wealth. And if you enjoy learning simple ways to understand money and build stronger financial habits, consider subscribing to Wealtiny and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss future insights like this. The first reason smart people often stay broke is something called overconfidence. When someone excels academically or professionally, it's easy to assume that intelligence alone will help them make the right financial decisions. But money is not just a math problem, it's a behavioral one. Studies in behavioral economics show that emotions, habits, and environment influence financial decisions just as much as logic. Here's something interesting. Many people who are extremely capable in their careers never take time to actually learn personal finance. They assume they'll figure it out later. But money compounds over time, both positively and negatively. The longer someone delays building good habits, the harder it becomes to catch up. Think about this for a moment. A person could earn a six-figure salary and still struggle financially if their spending rises just as fast as their income. That pattern is called lifestyle inflation. Every raise leads to a bigger apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, and more spending. Suddenly, the extra income disappears before it ever has a chance to build wealth. Here's a quick question worth asking yourself. Have you ever received a raise and felt richer for a few months, only to realize later that your financial situation hasn't actually improved? It's lifestyle inflation quietly at work. Another reason smart people struggle with money is that they focus heavily on earning but not on managing. High income does not automatically equal financial security. What matters is the gap between what you earn and what you keep. For example, someone earning $60,000 a year who saves consistently might build more wealth over time than someone earning $150,000 but saving almost nothing. The difference comes down to financial habits. This idea is often emphasized in personal finance research and discussions published by Harvard Business Review, which highlight that financial outcomes are strongly tied to behavioral patterns rather than intelligence alone. Another hidden trap is decision fatigue. Smart professionals often spend their entire day making complex decisions at work. By the time they deal with personal finances, their mental energy is drained. As a result, they delay decisions about budgeting, saving, or investing. And when financial decisions are delayed long enough, small problems gradually become bigger ones. Let's pause for a second and think about something surprising. Many wealthy people don't necessarily have extraordinary intelligence. What they often have instead is consistency. They automate savings, invest regularly, and stick to simple financial systems. In other words, they remove decision-making from the process. Automation is one of the most powerful financial tools available today. automatically transferring a portion of each paycheck into savings or investment accounts ensures that progress happens even when life gets busy. Another reason smart people stay broke is perfectionism. They often want to fully understand every detail before taking action. When it comes to investing or financial planning, that mindset can cause endless research but very little action. But in personal finance, taking imperfect action early is often far more powerful than waiting for perfect knowledge.
Consider investing.
As an example, many people delay investing because they want to understand the market completely before starting. But historically, long-term investing rewards consistency and time in the market rather than perfect timing. Data compiled by S&P Dow Jones Indices consistently shows that most professional fund managers fail to outperform the market over long periods. This suggests that complicated strategies are often less effective than simple, consistent investing approaches. Here's another question worth asking yourself. Are you waiting to feel ready before improving your finances? Or could small steps today already move you in the right direction? Another financial blind spot among intelligent people is social comparison. When surrounded by other successful professionals, it becomes easy to compare lifestyles. Expensive vacations, luxury apartments, and new cars can start to feel normal within certain social circles. But trying to match the lifestyle of others can quietly destroy financial progress. The truth is, many people appearing financially successful are simply financing their lifestyle with debt. This is why some financial experts recommend measuring progress privately rather than publicly. Your financial health should be based on your savings, investments, and financial security, not on what others think about your lifestyle. Another overlooked factor is the absence of clear goals. Smart people are often focused on solving problems in their careers, but rarely define what financial success actually means for their personal lives. Without clear goals, money decisions become reactive rather than intentional. Imagine two people earning similar incomes. One spends freely without long-term planning, while the other sets clear goals like building a 6-month emergency fund, investing regularly, and saving for future opportunities. Over 10 or 20 years, the difference in outcomes can be dramatic. Financial success is rarely about intelligence. It's about direction and consistency. Now imagine something different for a moment. Instead of feeling confused about money, you have a simple system. A portion of your income automatically goes into savings. The portion goes into investments, and your spending fits comfortably within what remains. Suddenly, money stops feeling chaotic. It starts feeling predictable and manageable. That's the power of systems over willpower. If you're finding value in ideas like these, subscribing to Wealtiny and turning on the notification bell is a simple way to keep learning. Practical strategies that help you make smarter financial decisions. And if this video helped you see money from a new perspective, leaving a like also helps more people discover it. So here's the big takeaway. Intelligence alone does not create wealth. Habits do. Smart people stay broke when they rely on intelligence without building systems. They delay financial education, allow lifestyle inflation to grow, overthink decisions, and compare themselves to others. But the moment someone replaces those patterns with simple financial habits, saving consistently, investing early, controlling lifestyle inflation, and setting clear goals, everything begins to change. Financial success is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being consistent with the decisions that quietly build wealth over time. So here's a question to think about today. What is one small financial habit you could start this week that your future self will thank you for? Maybe it's automating your savings, reviewing your spending, or finally starting an investment account. Small actions today can shape your financial future more than intelligence ever could. And if you want to keep building those habits step by step, subscribe to Wealtiny, hit the notification bell, and join us for the next video where we break down more simple strategies for building long-term financial freedom.